What's going on, everyone? My name is Nick here at ClickUp, and today I want to talk about what makes ClickUp different. I know many of you who are probably watching this video are shuffling through dozens of different options in the project management space to find which one has the right user interface, features, and simplicity, as well as efficiency at delivering on your given projects. And though there are a lot of great options out there, a lot of them share the same exact flaws. In fact, those same flaws were what propelled us to create ClickUp. From the ground up, we've used project management software. Many of our competitors we've used ourselves in the past, and we realized that there was a lot of similar trends that a lot of them failed on that we wanted to make sure we guaranteed weren't inside ClickUp. And in fact, we wanted to do a 180. We wanted to do the right thing. We wanted to make sure that it was both simple for everyone to use in the sense of design and functionality, as well as that we wanted to make sure it was a platform built for everyone, people who were starting from the ground up in project management to people who were experts in the space, who were looking for something simple. And along with that, we wanted to provide a sense of structure that we didn't find inside traditional project management. So these are just a few of the things that we wanted to focus on, but today I really want to bring out the top 6 reasons as to why ClickUp is different comparative to the competition. So without further ado, let's go ahead and discuss it. The first one I want to talk about more than anything is design. As someone myself who's kind of a design nerd, I really do like simplicity. I like a user interface that is both inviting at the same time as functionable as well. And right here on ClickUp, after just a few minutes of using the platform, you'll start to realize but not only how great the UI is, but also how functionable it is. As we go into each individual task, we can see that functionality is around every corner, but it's also not invasive. It doesn't make us feel like we can't manage it. Everything is simple, it's clean, modern looking, and it makes it easy to interact with and make changes for our given tasks. And what's great about this as well is we give you different viewpoints as well in the sense of design. We allow you to use list view or our board view, which takes a Kanban style approach to project management. Or for those who really want to get that overhead view, who don't want to shuffle through lists of tasks, can do that through box view. So again, we wanted to make sure things were simple, clean cut, and easy to use for any individual. Another thing that we really do great, and I think one of our biggest points is the fact that we take customer service seriously. I think we all know the horror stories we personally share with one another with customer service, whether it be dealing with our banks or dealing with returning a product to Amazon. You know, we all have our individual worries of trying to get customer service to work properly. Well, we here at ClickUp not only can relate to that, we wanted to make sure we did it right. Inside ClickUp, we guarantee 24/7 customer service where you can contact us at any time with your issues. The way you can do this is quite simple. It's not complicated. All you got to do is come up to the user profile icon and come down to the help label. And we give you all of the things you'll need in order to contact us. You can contact us through live chat. You can call us if you need to or set up a call. You can get a demo request so we can show you to the ClickUp platform and make you more productive. And also we have a link here to our docs page that has a ton of resources and videos from yours truly explaining how to use the platform. Or at the end of the day, if you wanted to simply send us an email, simply type into the text box below, and we here at ClickUp will make sure to get back to you as soon as possible. Along with that, ClickUp has stellar customization. One thing that we found a lot in project management is that when companies would add new features to their project management, they would force it on their users, and a lot of the times, people don't need the same exact things. Sometimes people need simple things such as a to-do list. Some people need things that are much more complex and have complex workflow structures. Well, we here at ClickUp wanted to guarantee that you could customize your workplace. And because of this, we gave you the feature of Click Apps, which you can access inside the Settings tab and over here on the left-hand side, where you can establish which features you want to see in each individual space. So you can have things such as multiple assignees, due dates, time tracking, priorities, and tags. And we can see this inside our given workflow on the right-hand side here or inside our given task view window. So we can add all bits of functionality that we want or get rid of all the noise that we don't need. It's all dependent on what you want as an end user as well as your team as a whole. So again, we want to make sure project management works for you and that doesn't isolate anyone. Along with this, we wanted to talk about our continued expansion on features and functionality. Not only does ClickUp have a stellar amount of functionality from the get-go, but along with this, we're a hard-working and thriving startup that's working to continue expanding ClickUp and what makes it so great. We have a roadmap that we're continuously adding to and taking your feedback to build upon. And each week we're delivering new updates that can help you not only stay more productive, but also use other tools and features that we develop on the platform to make sure you can guarantee that tasks get done on time. Along with this as well, we wanted to make sure ClickUp was built for everyone. As we've been saying from the start, we wanted an easy user interface as well as customization and features that allowed you to make the application your own. But at the end of the day, you have to have simplicity in mind. You have to make it so someone who hasn't used project management software before can pick it up in about 10 minutes, or someone who's an expert who can look back and say, gosh, what software have I been using for the past 10 years? And that's the exact kind of feeling we're going for with ClickUp. We want it to be something that provides all of the functionality you need, but is not something that's complex. And with an easy user interface as well as the features that we offer, it's easy to step into ClickUp and get a feel for everything. Everything is simple, whether it be the drag and drop functionality, simple click functionality where we can change certain features on tasks. It all works to our liking. And we wanted to make sure that it was built for everyone, because another problem we noticed in regard to the fact of not building a platform for everyone is that you have teams who have to work on 4 or 5 different project management softwares. Why should it be that way? We here at ClickUp don't believe that should be the way to go. We believe we should have an all-in-one platform to stay most productive so people can effectively communicate. That's one of the biggest roadblocks of having multiple different channels of project management, is the fact that there's no way to channel communication in a streamlined, productive way. So, at the end of the day, we believe we want to build a productivity platform, an all-in-one platform where you can stay on top of your tasks and deliver on overall projects and objectives. And finally, last but not least, we got to talk about structure. This has got to be one of the best things about ClickUp compared to other competitors, such as Trello and Asana and a lot of other competitors out there in the space. Structure inside ClickUp is extremely important, and it's built from the ground up. We believe that in traditional project management, things can get kind of cluttered and messy. And because of that, we wanted to have a system that can help organize everything. Now, I know a lot of people get scared when I mention the word hierarchy. It sounds like we're building some kind of government inside project management, or it gets too complex. And people are like, I don't know how to visualize that. How am I going to remember all these terms? Don't worry. Once you start using ClickUp for the first day, you'll completely get used to the hierarchy system. The hierarchy that will help you keep organized. And inside ClickUp, we have multiple layers. We have your team level, your space level, your project level, your list level, and your task level. And inside ClickUp, this kind of structure is what's going to guarantee in the long term that you can stay on top of things rather than getting bombarded by a multitude of tasks that are mismanaged, misorganized, and cluttering up your workflow. So, at the end of the day, we wanted to make sure we provided stellar design, easy customization to make your project management work for you, continued updates on features and functionality. We wanted to build a platform for everyone who uses us, and then also, at the end of the day, provide a sense of structure and a sense of customer support that'll make you come back wanting more. Anyways, everyone, that's it for the video. Thank you all so much for watching. If you all are interested in ClickUp, or if you have any kind of questions, comments, or concerns, remember, as I said, we're here 24/7, ready to talk to you. And we want to make sure we can help you stay as most productive as possible. So if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. We're always here. Anyways, everyone, that's it for the video. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one. Stay tuned.